Karibuni sana. Your Excellency, the person of the great democracy of the United States of America and your team.
Thank you.
I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to our office here. And we want from the very onset to say that we are very happy that you have settled down very quickly and started very robust engagement with our government and the people of Kenya. And we have no doubt in our mind that with a keen interest you have shown by settling down very quickly and started engaging us, this will enhance the very good relations between Kenya and the United States of America. We enjoy very, very good relations with the United States, and the United States is our greatest trade partner in the world.
Yes.
And we want to tell you you are very much welcome to this country.
Thank you.
And other than enhancing our very good relations, we also want to wish you a good stay in this country.